Hello everyone, welcome to philviestory, and today I'll be making lactation dinner roast. It is actually double proofing color toast added with a few of the milk booster ingredients. So flaxmeal is actually one of the milk boosters, so I'll be adding in flaxmeal. For flaxmeal, you can either use flaxseed and then grind it by yourself, or you can directly buy flaxmeal from the organic shop. So other than flaxmeal, I'll be using wholemeal flour. It's a high protein wholemeal bread flour that I got from the organic shop. And then also I'll be adding in brewer yeast. Brewer yeast is one of the ingredients that will help to boost up the milk for lactation mom. If you are not lactating but still want to eat this, it's okay. You won't lactate because of taking this dinner roast. It is actually filled with a lot of nutrition, so my kids does eat them too. It's not just made for lactation mom. Anyone can eat this. If you find the dough is a little bit wet or difficult to knead, just add in more flour to make it drier, then it will be easier to knead. For these dinner rolls, I recommend to eat it with a little bit of jam filling or peanut butter because we're using brewer yeast with it to make this dinner roll, so there will be a little bit of beer taste at the end of it. So with a little bit of fillings, then you won't really taste the slightly bitter taste of it. And for the texture, this dinner rolls is not as soft as killer toast, but it's a little bit more to rich dough texture. When you bite on it, it's a bit chewy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.